In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Cash App direct deposit not showing up. If your Cash App instant deposit is not showing up, it could be due to various reasons such as unsupported debit cards, insufficient funds, exceeded daily limits, and more. Some of the fixes are 1. Check debit card compatibility. Ensure that your debit card supports instant deposits because not all debit cards are compatible with Cash App's instant deposit feature. 2. Verify sufficient funds. Make sure you have enough funds in your Cash App balance to cover the instant deposit amount. 3. Check daily limits. Confirm whether you have exceeded the daily instant deposit limit set by Cash App. 4. Consider system issues. Understand that sometimes there are maybe technical glitches or system problems within Cash App that could delay or prevent instant deposit from appearing. In such cases, patience may be required until the issue is resolved. And that's it, guys. And if you want to clear the Cash App's data, go to Settings, Applications, look for the Cash App, and then hit on Clear Data and see if the problem persists. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.